You know, it has been a while since I've made this much of a mess in my flat on a Saturday afternoon. We are here. Howdy, I'm Nick, this London creative, if you didn't already know. We're here. We have emulsion paint and acrylic paint and hairdryer. You know what that means? It has been many months since I've done a flow art painting. As you can see from this canvas, which was a failed attempt before, it's a bit destroyed and a bit overworked and a mess. But I'm going to cover it in some white emulsion paint in a minute. And I have a plan. And it is a plan that needs giving credit where credit's due to Earthman Brick, who, when I did the last flow art painting, went, battle boards. Interesting. And it gave me the idea. So today I'm going to combine flow art with gaming board. I've pulled out the sculpture mould. Seems to have separated quite a lot. I might put a bit of that in once it's down and whatever, and try and make some texture and some terrain and see if this works. It may not work. It probably won't. It'll probably end up looking like that. But let's see how we do. This is a mix up of, I had about 6 different half pots of paint all sitting around. So these have all been accumulated and joined together, and I'm just going to try and cover this a bit. Might be a bit lumpy in places, but actually probably will help the terrain idea. Chaos is raining. So just falling over there. I don't even know where it was, but it was really loud, and it just went bang. The hairdryer's pulling everything off and knocking everything flying over there, and yeah, chaos. Right, this is the sludge, the slurry colour, the brown from scooped away from this, probably reds and blues and things that didn't work last time. So I'm going to use some of this, but I'm going to pour into a cup. Okay, we have some raw umber and red and brown sludge, basically. I think I'm going this way. I'm going to kind of go. You're saying maybe let's find a disco. This is a mixed white. Give me some energy. Wanna come dance with me. Give me some energy. Wanna come dance with me. A few drops of silicone oil in a couple of places. I can see you buzzing like you. The ruly mess. One last bit. I'm going to paint from over here because this hairdryer's not got much of an extension. Come move your body. Only settle for the best. Live your life with no regrets. Come move your body. Come move your body. The yellow's not moving at all. Actually, if that yellow's not moving at all, you must be crazy. Turning me down like that is pretty insane. You need to break free. Live fast and die young and let yourself go. Let yourself go. Hey, give me some energy. Some Payne's grey. It's lacking some solidity. That bit there, not moving. Wanna come dance with me. There's no double streak here, look. The lid's coming off, that's right. Almost had a disaster there. Now it's getting somewhere. It needed that punch of darkness. Come on, let yourself be free. Be the best that you can be. Come move your body. Come move your body. Only settle for the best. Live your life with no regrets. Come move your body. Come move your body. Okay. Really do need that glow. I can see you buzzing like you can't say no. There's no fire when it's okay. Then you go. Come on, let yourself be free. Be the best that you can be. Come move your body. Come move your body. Only settle for the best. Live your life with no regrets. Come move your body. Come my flow art battle board. What do you think? I think it came out pretty good. Having a purpose and a direction and an end image really helped. Putting the models on makes it a lot smaller, but without it, it looks ginormous. It looks like a topographical map of a massive glacier moving. But I hope this was something different. I didn't know if it was going to work, but yeah, it works. Brick, well done for coming up with that idea. I will maybe do more of these in the future because, you know, I've got so much space. So if you like this video and you want to see more, give it a thumbs up. Comment, tell me more suggestions, more ideas. Do that, see what happens. You make a comment 6 months later, hey, do it. And if you're not already and you want to see more of these, well, you can't see it. The 3D printer dilemma, which is ongoing. Model making stuff, building things out of junk I found. I don't know what that's going to be. We shall be back. Well, I shall be back. I say we because we shall be back. And next time with something completely different. So until then, bye. There's a lot of the leftover paints. Look at that. Goodness. This is going to explode. No. The bottle is completely jammed. No, I can't undo that. That is never going to open. Just look at the mess. This is like what it takes to do one painting in this flat. And that's not even including the balcony where all of this stuff is stored usually.